Good day, good day. I got an interesting email and it said that you can now borrow up to $200 through Cashapp. So the loans are from $20 to $200. Now I'm just going to walk you through this a bit. So you select the amount you want to borrow, and after that it's going to tell you how much interest you're going to pay by the end of the loan. Now these loans only are for about a month and the interest rate is 5%. Now, here's something interesting. I didn't see that the interest rate is 5% listed anywhere in particular. However, when I did the calculations, it calculates out to 5% because $10 is 10% of $200. And when I calculated the loan amount and the total that they gave me if I borrowed $20, it was $1. Once you choose your loan amount, you will have to confirm your identity. When you confirm your identity, they will ask you for your legal name, your date of birth, your social security number, and your current address. They will also confirm that the information is correct, and if it's not, you will get this red notice like I did because I put in false information, just to show you an example. There is also the option to borrow up to $400, and these are the different bullet points that you will have to achieve in order to do so. You will have to deposit $300 or more each month, get a Cashapp card and use it, and keep a positive balance. I hope that this was helpful to you all. If you already have a Cashapp account and you're pressed for funds and you just need a little pick-me-up here or there, this is a very easy and seems to be affordable way to get a little extra money in your pocket. But if you have gotten this loan, or if you plan to, or if this is something that's new to you that you didn't know anything about, drop some comments for me and let me know what you think.